Beautiful birds. Part 1. 1. Macaw. M-A-C-A-W. Macaw. Vocabulary. Beak. Agile. Grasp. Things. The macaw is a member of the parrot family. It has a large, strong, curved beak. It has strong, agile toes that are used like hands to grasp things. Two. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Vocabulary. Exceptional. Ability. Identify. Image. The pigeon has exceptional eyesight and ability to identify objects. It can recognize its own image in the mirror. It eats nuts, seeds, and fruit. Three. Cockatoo. C-O-C-K-A-T-O-O. Cockatoo. Vocabulary. Intelligent. Emotional. Scream. Communicate. The cockatoo is an intelligent and emotional bird. It can be trained to talk. It screams to communicate with other cockatoos. 4. Oriole. O-R-I-O-L-E. Oriole. Vocabulary. Medium-sized. Berries. Nectar. Live The oriole is a medium-sized bird. It eats berries, arthropods, and nectar. It can live up to 14 years.
Somewhere deep in the jungle, you can hear the birds singing their jingles in many sounds, in many colors. Let's learn the birds of paradise together. Talk, 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 talk. I wonder who is making the loud knocks. Oh, it's a woodpecker with his bright red crown and a knocking sound. Hummingbirds are the tiniest and they can fly really fast. They can hover like helicopters and feed on their favorite nectars. Here come the orioles, flying in their bright yellows, wearing their black eye masks. Under the sun they like to bask. The birds of paradise come in many sounds, in many colors, all waiting for you to come and discover, to come and discover.